Hey everyone, this is John Battaglia with East Home Inspections. I'm up in an attic on a new construction house today doing an inspection, and it is toasty up here. It's about 110 degrees, and so I am sweating it out. But I want to show you a couple of things that we find all the time with the HVAC on a brand new house. Of course, around the Atlanta area, many of the HVAC units are located up in the attic, and our energy code has very specific requirements about how these are supposed to be sealed and how we're supposed to keep air from leaking into the attic and wasting energy, running up your electric bill. So number one, the energy code tells us that the tape that's used to seal all the seams has to be listed with UL 181. So if we get up close here, you'll be able to see they did use the right type of tape. We see the 181 there. But then secondly, it says that all seams that are taped have to be sealed with mastic. Mastic is I like to describe it as white goopy stuff, but we use it to seal up seams. This is not even really white, but you can see someone put a little bit of it over on this side. But the code also specifies how thick the mastic is supposed to be. It's supposed to be 2 millimeters thick, or approximately the equivalent width of a nickel. And so if you can still read the lettering on the tape, it's not near thick enough. And so you can see they didn't put enough mastic on. Additionally, up here you can see the tape's already peeling off. They didn't seal it very well. We got cold air leaking out there. And then of course where our drain lines for the condensate are, we almost always see air leakage around those, and those are supposed to be sealed as well. So the builder's gonna have to call back the HVAC company to come and seal this cabinet properly, stop the air from leaking out, and keep the home buyer from having a high electric bill.